Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Sufia Lutfi, a student of Department of Public Administration, and this time I want to discuss about foreign policy. Yep, this video is a midterm exam assignment for international organization and administration course. So let's talk about foreign policy, especially in Australia. Why did I choose Australia? Because Aussie is one country that is considered successful to treat the SARS-CoV-2 virus, or better known as COVID-19. COVID-19 in Australia is only around 1%. This figure is sufficient better than other countries and show that in about 6 months, Australia was able to press the number did end the spread of the virus, even though it didn't go smoothly. In general, it can be said that government policy Australia has been quite effective in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. So, what are the policies? Come on, let's discuss about it. Three things are then the key to success the Australian government is, for the first, the decision to close international and local borders, and the second, intergovernmental coordination central and state produce explicit instruction and clear to the public. And for the third, transparency of data and information. First offers the decision to close international and local borders. One of the efforts to overcome the spread of the virus was carried out Australia by limiting the arrival of residents from China and the implementation of strict quarantine from the start. For the second, intergovernmental coordination central and state produce explicit instruction and clear to the public. Learned from the influenza pandemic in 2009, one things that are needed by the community during a pandemic are clear information about the things that need to be done for avoid transmission of the virus and if it requires treatment further due to the virus. Refer to the findings. Government communication is very influential on level of public confidence in the midst of a pandemic. Still, according to the same research, if the government's competence is in response to a crisis, then the level of public confidence also getting lower. If the condition is happens, it will be difficult for the government to make up society obey the instruction issues. Apart from centralist coordination, the National Cabinet is also of Australian government efforts in formulating policies based on expert advice. In the health sector, all policies are government issues referred to modeling scenarios created by Australian epidemiologists. This modeling data is used in predicting the worst possible spread of the coronavirus if it is not handled at all. In some countries, this modeling is carried out by independent institutions and is often seen by politicians as exaggerating and can cause people to panic. However, Australia still decided to issue the modeling. For the last, transparency of data and information. Australia's success tips in dealing with the coronavirus, which then is transparency of data and information. For the past 3 weeks, every day the Australian federal and state government have held press conference to explain the latest data on those affected by the virus. The transparency of this data is aimed at making citizens more aware of what is going on so that they understand the government's thinking. Those are some of the foreign policies implemented by Australian state in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for watching. Apologize if there is any error.